how to install Beetv on Firestick. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to install Beetv on Firestick on a detailed guide. First things first, what you need to do is get the downloader on your Firestick. To do that, just press the home button on the remote control, select the search icon and then select enter downloader into the search box using the on-screen keyboard on TV and choose the downloader app. Now after getting the downloader app on your Firestick, you need to adjust your Firestick settings to allow installing unknown apps from the app. Just go back to the Firestick homepage and choose the gear icon to display the settings menu and choose My Fire TV option from the settings menu. Choose developer options. If you don't see it, you can go to about and Fire TV stick and click it 7 times to enable developer options as well. Now simply choose on install unknown apps and set downloader on. If this is unavailable, set apps from unknown sources on. Now launch the downloader app on your Firestick. You can simply enter a URL or search term section. Just enter the downloader code 954028 and click on go. Wait for the downloader app to download the Beetv APK file on your Firestick. Once downloaded, simply tap on the install button on the on-screen prompt. And once you've done that, your Beetv will be installed on your Firestick.